kids didn't come with us. They chose comfort. We made one big mistake. We discovered the jungle and peace. And that was just the beginning. Light start, mud, tires, you joke, you move. Not so light. Less joking, more breath, sweat, silence. Trails serious. Nice view, no celebration. Silence, something missing. Quick steps, tightrope, river roars, chill in your chest. Something feels wrong. We had made a grave mistake. River hits, feet twist, stones slice, cold bites, you slip, you scream. You remember? No water shoes. You crawl out, wet, shivering, you look up. Waterfall stares back. I didn't come here to watch. I came to cross. And I won't turn back now. Misha tries to reach him, but the current is too strong. Our guide jumps in. No hesitation. I smile, I walk forward. The waterfall roars, a scream from within. I'm back in the room. It's quiet. I sit, I breathe. But the silence feels wrong. Initially, it feels manageable. Then, the walls close in. Keep elbows tucked. Don't look down, focus on the next rung. Eventually, the light fades. You won't believe what's next. First, the passage narrows. Then it demands control. Bend fully, move slow. One last push, you're clear. Misha grips the rope. Back first, her feet search for water. The rope creaks. One bump against stone. She exhales. She made it. 3 photos, 1 story, me and Misha soaked, smiling, surprised. While the kids chilled on Wi-Fi, we found the wild. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe and ask any questions and comments. Also, visit our blog on crazyfamilyontheroad.com for even more useful tips and practical information. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.